Now here we are going to study more about the tools and commands. So one by one I'll guide you how to perform on that. Selection tools. Selection tools allow you to choose specific areas of an image for editing. Some commonly used selection tools include the mark you, lasso and magic wand tools. So let us see how does it work.
Now here we are going to learn about the selection tools in a Photoshop. So we have basically a different option for the selection. The second toolbar in the tool panel we have the rectangular marquee tool and lasso tools options and the quick selection tool options. So first we'll learn about the rectangular marquee tool. So what this tool is about, the shape itself says that this will give you the rectangular shape of the selection. So how does this works? I'll explain you, I'll show you. So this is how the selection is looking like, a plus symbol. So for example, I want this tree. I just want this tree, I don't want this grass, but trying to select the tree for the any of your image. Okay. So this is I selected tree and now I want this tree in some different layer. So this is a layers panel. We have learned this in previous lecture. So I want this tree in some another layer. So I'll simply right click on this and a layer via copy. Okay. Now I'll show you by just clicking on this eye tool and just offing this. This is what the tree we got from a selection by a rectangular selection tool. Okay, I'm just clicking this off and I'm again. Simply do backspace or delete. You have two options, backspace or delete. You will go to the previous. I'm doing very roughly for this. First, just want to show you how to select and how you will get to know that your selection is done or not. Once you have done your selection, it will show you a small circle symbol. You can see when you are going to practice this, you'll see one small circle. Just leave your mouse there, just click on there, just leave it from where you have start and from where you have end. You will get to know the selection is done by showing you one small circular symbol. So now you have done your selection and again if I want this, hereby I copy and I know I have done very roughly, so sorry for that. So this is what this gives you output. All this is in on so how you do your selection is basically is on here, that how precisely and how smoothly you do your selection towards your image, how is your image is, how you want your selection to come output has your result. And another I'm going to show you about the lasso tool. So what this tool is you can't just click and leave. See, I'm just clicking here, there is no selection is going on. Why? Because what this selection is you can't leave your mouse, you can't leave your selection. Once you start selecting, it won't let you leave your mouse. Like for example, I want to select this tree, I want to select this whole tree. So I'll start by clicking by left click, okay? Start. See, I have not leave my mouse. I'm not leaving my mouse at all. And here I am coming. You can see where you have start now. I'm not getting the circle now. See, this is what this does. You won't get your circle. You have to wait there. Okay. Now this is what this gives you output. You can see how much messes over here has been created because I can't leave the mouse over there. By selecting this tool, lasso tool, you have to work very precisely. Most of us don't use this tool for the selection for a detailed selection work. Now I don't want this, then simply control D for deselect. The another tool is magnetic lasso tool. So now I have to zoom in. Try to zoom your slide precisely so that you can work your object very clearly. Okay, now I'm just starting from here and see this cursor is automatically moved. I have just clicked once. I'll show you again. Just click once on your object or in any image. Just keep dragging your mouse. I have not clicked anywhere. Go on, see this is going anywhere because this is simply works on your color combinations. Right. and another was a quick selection tool.
The Move tool enables you to move, drag, and reposition elements within an image or between different documents. So let me show you how does it work.
Okay. So now here we are going to learn about also see the shortcut keys shown here, that is a V. You can simply press V. For example, you are on any other tool, you are on brush tool, or you want to switch to the move tool, the shortcut key is V. And now just click on the layer which you want to move. Now simply you can move from here. So now to keep it there, you can keep that. So this is the work of move tool, that you can simply move your object wherever you want to move within the layers.
The Crop tool allows you to trim or resize the canvas or selected areas of an image to remove unwanted parts or adjust the composition. Let me show you how does it work.
So now here we are going to learn about the crop tool. So the crop tool is basically going to crop your image like whichever surface you want. You can see the outer part of the surface, just cut you can simply press enter once you have done your selection. So now here we have the ratio. There are different presets shown here. You can use according to here. I'm showing the one by one. This is the Instagram. You can use this for the Instagram size photos. Like this is basically used for the Instagram size one. Now you can click here, or you can simply press enter. Okay. For the another one, I'm going to show you the perspective crop tool. Now what does this tool does now? You can see the building is towards left to right. This building is going to the edges sides. Okay, now this tool will simply give you the front view of the image. Now for example, trace your point and then trace to the edge. Now okay, now once you have done your selection, simply press your enter key or the check marks. Okay, okay, so now here we got the image in a front view. How was our previous image was, and now this is what the output is.